Hey, everybody, Economic Ninja here. If you are following Bitcoin, you are following a massive price rise. And I believe that honestly, you're going to see much higher prices here in the near future. We have not even hit the halvening yet. As a matter of fact, we haven't seen a price rise before a halvening ever like this before. A news story just came out of Zero Hedge. I want to share it with you. It is regarding Tether. And there's always been speculation if Tether is fully funded, if it has the money, the Bitcoin in there backing it. Very interesting. Right here, out of Zero Hedge, Tether adds 8,888 Bitcoin. Very interesting number, worth $600 million to Bitcoin Treasury, on chain data shows. Now, it says here stablecoin issuer Tether has significantly expanded its Bitcoin holdings, acquiring 8,888 Bitcoin worth around 600 million. This latest purchase was revealed through on-chain data rather than an official announcement. Okay, so this isn't them trying to supposedly bring attention to their things, but somebody found it really quick. Also, this live AMA that we're going to be holding next week, it is ongoing. It is happening. The emails have been sent out. If you want to be a part, we're going to have a professional crypto author, a Bitcoin author, and we're going to be talking about how to make money from this market, but also more importantly, how to protect yourself from a downturn, because there is a lot of scams out there and there are some awesome ways to make money, but I also want to make sure you're protected. So we're going to be doing that AMA. You can click the link for the newsletter and you'll get the information on how to register for that. And it will not be on this channel. It says Tether has not publicly disclosed its Bitcoin addresses. However, transactions tracked on the blockchain show 8,888 Bitcoin were recently sent to the crypto exchange Bitfinex to an undisclosed Tether wallet. This receipt, I'm sorry, the recipient address now holds over 75,000 Bitcoin worth $5.3 billion. Can you imagine where we're going to be here pretty soon when as the price just keeps going higher? Now, it says in May of 2023, Tether first revealed it was allocating a portion of its reserves to Bitcoin with plans to invest up to 15% of the quarterly profits. The decision to invest in Bitcoin, the world's first and largest cryptocurrency, is underpinned by its strength and potential as an investment asset. This comes from Paleo, CTO of Tether, said in a statement when they announced their Bitcoin strategy. Now, while unconfirmed analysis believed the identified wallet likely belongs to Tether, the amount perfectly matches its pledged buying strategy and claims holdings in its latest financial reports. Tether has emerged as a major player in Bitcoin markets and its accumulation race. The company is now estimated to be the 7th largest holder of Bitcoin. Its steady purchases, combined with those of institutional investors like MicroStrategy, tighten supply. Critics have raised concern about Tether's lack of transparency and the potential market risks of its growing Bitcoin stash. However, its embrace of Bitcoin also shows the asset broadening mainstream acceptance. Tether aims to capitalize on Bitcoin's growth while diversifying its reserves away from traditional assets like government debt. This is a big deal. Now, why is it a big deal? Well, I'll tell you. Right now, we've just now received the go-ahead, 8 weeks ago, for the ETFs, Bitcoin ETFs. BlackRock is buying up Bitcoin like it was going out of style. You see now this announcement of Tether buying Bitcoin. There's a point at which you will not be owning Bitcoin. And I want people to understand this. And this is a very serious warning. This isn't me telling you to go buy Bitcoin, right? There is an amazing amount of buying pressure. Governments around the world know that if they banned Bitcoin because it's the total opposite of their fiat currency, that instantaneously all of you would go, wait a minute, what's going on? If they want it banned, we must go own it. That's just human nature, right? So what they do is they go, okay, fine, you can own it through an ETF. But I'll be honest with you, I do not believe there'll be a day. The restrictions on withdrawing it, just like what happened with the silver markets, will be so intense. All you'll have is exposure to Bitcoin. That's all you have with an ETF. Right now, it looks great, and Grayscale has all these massive problems because everybody's withdrawing their Bitcoin when it went from a fund to an ETF, right? They're going to change that. And so there will be a day where you won't be owning a Bitcoin. You'll just have the exposure to the price. And that's why years ago I said, if you don't hold it, you don't own it. You might want to go look into that. I think it's very important. There's a lot of money to be made here in the next coming months after this happening, and we haven't even started altcoin season, and altcoins are already running pretty fiercely. Um, I think this is the time to act and get to wake up to the profit potential in crypto right now. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm doing it. All right. I've doubled one of my largest positions in of my net worth has over doubled since January. And there's a lot of potential there. But again, we want to warn you and keep you abreast of the risks as well, so that you walk into it mitigating those risks. If you guys want to be a part of the AMA, I'm going to put a link down below to my newsletter. And when you sign up for that, you'll immediately get the email bounce back of the date and time of the AMA that happens, I believe, next Wednesday. And we're going to bring you a lot of good info. All right. Thank you so much for watching. The Economic Ninja is out.